Here's something most people don't know. If your foam cannon sucks, you're not just wasting soap. You're risking swirl marks, water spots, and a half-clean car. Yeah, even if your pressure washer is top tier. So today we're breaking down the top 8 foam cannons for pressure washers you can grab on Amazon right now, from budget beasts to pro-grewed contenders. We'll compare them all so you can pick the right one without guesswork. All the links are in the description. Let's dive in. Number 8. Westinghouse Foam Cannon. But let's kick it off with the Westinghouse Foam Cannon. This one pushes out thick, consistent foam with up to 3,600 psi and comes with a stainless steel connector and an adjustable nozzle. In real use, it absolutely covers an SUV in seconds. The foam clings well, cuts down rinse time, and it feels durable in hand. The downside? The adjustment knob is a little wobbly, and unlike the pricier MJJC Pro V2, it doesn't offer fancy stuff like interchangeable orifices. But for under $30, 0 cents? This thing holds its own. It's faster and sturdier than something like Amazon Basics, but falls short of the fine control that McKillans or Raincovo offer. Number 7. EARLEAS Foam Cannon. Earl Springs Value. This 1-liter cannon creates thick foam fast, and its 360 DG adjustable nozzle lets you fine-tune spray patterns. It's got a wide-mouth bottle, stainless/brass construction, and gets the job done well for light to moderate dirt. It doesn't match the foam control or build of Raincovo or McKillans, but it's cheaper. Occasional nozzle leaks and lower-grade materials mean you're trading a bit of durability for price. Still, compared to something like Tool Daily, it's right there in foam quality, but not as versatile. Number 6. Tool Daily Foam Cannon Kit. Tool Daily takes a different approach. It gives you a whole kit. Short gun, 1-liter foam cannon, and 5 quick connect nozzles. It's ergonomic, easy to handle, and great in tight spaces. The foam? Solid. The build? Decent. But it's not flawless. Some users report leaks, and it lacks pro touches like brass internals or weighted tubes. That said, it's more versatile than EARLEAS, but less refined than McKillans or Raincovo. If you want an all-in-one setup on a budget, this is a great pick. Number 5. AstroAI Foam Cannon. AstroAI punches above its weight with thick foam, a wide-neck bottle, adjustable nozzle, and reinforced filter. It handles mud and grime like a champ. The wide-mouth bottle makes filling easy, and users rave about the results. When it works. Some units underperform, suggesting spotty quality control. It's stronger than Amazon Basics in foam consistency and durability, but doesn't quite reach the refinement of Raincovo or the durability of McKillans. Right for most people, just inspect it when you get it. Number 4. McKillans Foam Cannon. McKillans feels a step up. Wide-mouth, brass fittings, and stainless quick connects make this feel premium without the premium price. It lays down thick suds, clings well, and feels rock solid while using it. No gimmicks here, just consistent performance. Compared to AstroAI or EARLEAS, it's noticeably more refined and built to last longer. While it lacks the weighted tube or brass internals of ultra-premium models, it holds its own against anything under $60, 0 cents. For home detailers who care about build and performance, this is one of the smartest buys. Number 3. Amazon Basics Foam Cannon. Here's the wild card. The Amazon Basics Foam Cannon. It's cheap, usually under $20, 0 cents, but surprisingly solid. It lays down thick foam, connects easily, and has a brass body and ABS bottle. The catch? The plastic cap can crack and it lacks advanced features. Against competitors like AstroAI or Tool Daily, it's similar in performance but a little flimsier. Still, it's better than expected, and for casual use, it's a smart intro to foam washing without breaking the bank. Number 2. Heavy-duty wide-neck foam cannon. This one delivers serious value. Thick, clingy foam, a wide-neck bottle that's easy to fill, and rugged brass fittings. It even adjusts up to 120D, gauged, making it versatile for everything from SUVs to patios. Compared to Amazon Basics or EARLEAS, the build is better and foam more consistent. Exit, it's not quite at McKillans or Raincovo level in design finesse, but it's darn close. And for the price, it might be the best bang for your buck if you just want strong, reliable performance. Number 1. Raincovo Foam Cannon. And finally, at number 1, Raincovo takes the crown. It combines all the features we want. Stainless steel filter, adjustable nozzle, 1.1 meme extra orifice for low GPM washers, and wide neck stability. Foam output is next level, shaving cream thick, and it coats cars like a pro setup. It edges past McKillans in tuning and versatility, outbuilds AstroAI and Tool Daily, and adds refinements even pricier Canons miss. Only real drawback: plastic bottle isn't bulletproof, but it's replaceable, and for this price, you won't find more features or better foam. So, who wins? After testing and comparing them all, Raincovo wins overall. It balances performance, features, and price better than the rest. McKillans comes close on build quality, and the heavy-duty wide-neck version is unbeatable for raw value. But Raincovo brings it all together. Still, if you've used any of these, let me know your experience in the comments. Did your pick match the list? All the links are in the description. Smash that like button if this helped. Drop a comment below with your go-to foam cannon, and hit subscribe for more real gear reviews with zero fluff. See you in the next one.